Alright, so I'm up a garden town area. I go on coffee place. Yo, feel like me a hike. Well, and tight on the bike back. Yeah. So I don't even know what kind of insect them there again. Hear the cricket them? Yo, could live up so. Could live up so. I swear. Man them all have bike taxi. That's how the plan is. Bike taxi up so. That's the plan. Here they. Every minute is a different bike. Yo. Kinda sad say I don't know them not fix the road yet. See ya? I don't know them not fix the road yet. It is on the way still. So I'm all the way up here. Come like my day back of God. Well, I am back of God, but up here feels different. Feels nice. Kingston no smells at all. Fresh air. Fresh air. I will be shooting a coffee commercial, like a mini commercial alone. And I'm just using, and I'll be using natural light because I realized that based on which part my day, I can't really use, I couldn't bring my stuff them because that little walk there a while ago, never normal. So I'll be showing you the process of how to shoot a video or a product by yourself. My lens of choice is the Sony 2.8 macro lens for close-up. This is the machine that they use to roast up coffee, and I'm switching between the 35 1.4 Sigma lens and the 90 because of the macro capabilities. I can punch in pretty close to get the any speck of dirt on the peanut, and because I'm using the 35 1.4, but I'm not really shooting wide open. The drone of choice is DJI Mavic Air. Yes, the original Air, not the Air 2S, just the original Air. Thanks again for watching. Like, comment, subscribe for more. Hit that notification bell. Bing bing.